how to update your Yahoo Mail app on iPhone. So there's two things you can do. The first thing we can do is go and head over to our app store, wherever it may be on your phone, and you can go ahead to the magnifying glass at the bottom right-hand corner and go ahead and type in Yahoo Mail. And you want to just go ahead and click on that and see if you have an update. Now, mine does say update, so you can update it from this point. But if you do not have it here and it just says open, you can also offload the app and reinstall it. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can come out of here, go to your settings, and then you want to go down to where it says general, and then iPhone storage, and then you want to go find the Yahoo Mail app in this list here. If you can't find it, just go ahead and type it in. It'll pop up automatically. So go ahead and find your Yahoo Mail. And from here, go ahead and choose to offload the app. Now, what this is going to do is get rid of cache and back data and things of that nature, and you'll be able to reinstall the app. Now, don't worry, it's not going to log you out or anything, but it's going to force Yahoo to give you the newest version that it can possibly have. That way you have the new features for the app. And that's about it. You just wait for this to finish reinstalling, and then you go ahead and open up the app like you usually would. And that's it. That's how you would go about updating the Yahoo Mail app. That way